Boxcutter is a cork with a hyper landing and a hook kick. I have no idea who decided to name it the Boxcutter, but I'm sure he was a cool guy. Boxcutter is one of my favorites. I think it looks the coolest when the hook kick is high and its extension is done with pointed toes. Personally, for me, the height of the kick is more important of these two. To achieve the high kick, you must have a very good, easy and controlled cork hyper. You can learn it just by over-rotating your cork a little. The technique of the Boxcutter style cork hyper is slightly different than that of a clean regular cork. I mean, at least when I do them. My Boxcutter is more tucked than my regular cork and can often be more slanted too. This is because to be able to kick the hook kick out hard and high from a nice chamber, it helps to remain in this kind of position before the kick. When I approach my Boxcutter, the order of the thought is swing, twist, double pump motion, and lastly the extension of the kick. The pumping motion is similar to that of a pumped Cheat 720. The knee kicks are just applied to the cork motion. I think Cheat 720 is actually a very good prerequisite for the Boxcutter. Another one is the cartful hyperhook. This is a trick that I think looks way harder than it actually is. You just basically gotta learn how to do the full slanted and tucked and apply the knee pumping technique of the Cheat 720 into it. So basically a quite non-inverted and bad full. After you can do that, you just gotta learn to extend the hook kick out at the right time and to land strong. And after these two tricks, the prerequisites are easy for you. The Boxcutter should come pretty easily. The most important thing is to train your slightly tucked cork hypers and extend the hook out little by little. I seem to always say it, but I think little by little is the best approach to many tricks. It's just the safest and the easiest way to go. But hey, this is everything I'm gonna say about the Boxcutter because I don't have anything else to say. It's not that complex trick in the end, but an amazing one for sure.